Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you welcome to the Terrace Kitchen. In today's video, we'll see how to make eggless no oven chocolate truffle cake. So let's get started. Heat a kadhai or a pan, add some salt, place a stand and preheat at medium flame for 10 minutes. I have given OTG instructions later in the video. Now take a bowl and add half cup curd or yogurt. Whisk it until it becomes smooth. Now add half cup powdered sugar and mix well. Next add 3 tablespoons oil or you can use melted butter. Half teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix till well combined. Now add 1/4 cup melted chocolate. I'm using 45% dark chocolate. You can use milk chocolate or your favorite chocolate in this recipe. Next, you can directly add or sift together 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, and 1 tablespoon cocoa powder. I'm using Dutch processed. Now add 1/4 cup milk at room temperature and gently mix. You may add 2 to 3 tablespoons more milk if required. Transfer the batter to a cake tin lined with butter or parchment paper. This is a 6-inch cake tin. Tap the mold to remove the air bubbles. If you want to bake this cake in OTG or convection, you can see the instructions on the screen. My pan has been preheating and now I'm going to bake this cake at medium flame for first 10 minutes and then I'm going to lower the flame for the next 35 to 40 minutes. Insert a toothpick, skewer or a knife in the center of the cake to see it's done or not. If there's no batter on the toothpick or skewer, that means your cake is done. Now cover your cake with a cotton cloth and let it cool down for good 2 to 3 hours. To prepare ganache, take 400 gram dark chocolate or compound. I'm using dark chocolate. Next, add 200 ml fresh cream. I'm using Amul's fresh cream that comes in white and blue carton. You can heat the cream and add to your chocolate or you can microwave this combination for 1 to 1.5 minutes. Mix till the chocolate and cream is well combined. If you're using microwave, you can microwave for a few more seconds if required. If you've added hot cream, then you can place this over a double boiler. Look at the creamy ganache. I'm not going to place this in my refrigerator as of now. The cake has cooled down and next step is to remove it from the mold. If you want, you can level the cake, that is remove the top layer like this, or you can use the cake as is. Next, I'm going to divide this cake into 3 layers. Look at the delicious cake. Place one of the layers on your cake board or a plate. Add some sugar syrup. Apply a layer of ganache. If you refrigerate your ganache, it would be difficult for you to spread the ganache. If you have already refrigerated it, you can microwave it for a few seconds or place over a double boiler till it becomes spreadable. Now repeat the same steps till you get to the top layer of the cake. Once you get to the top layer, cover the entire cake with chocolate ganache. Now place your cake in refrigerator for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take an offset spatula, dip it in hot water and level the edges and top of the cake. Now place your ganache in refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes till you get the piping consistency and pipe using a star nozzle. After refrigerating the ganache, if you're still finding it difficult to pipe because your ganache has become very hard, you can microwave it for 2 to 3 seconds or place on a double boiler and take it off and mix well till you get the right consistency. You can use a small round nozzle for the edges. You may also write a message or an alphabet on top of the cake. Our delicious chocolate truffle cake is ready to serve. This cake turns out very moist and chocolatey. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Terrace Kitchen for more such wonderful recipes. Give this recipe a try and enjoy!